Okay, hello everyone. Again with me is Kaidil. Okay, alright. Today we're gonna continue our subtopic 2.3.2, multiplication and division of algebraic expressions. So before this, you have learned about the addition and subtraction. So today we're gonna learn about multiplication and division of algebraic expression. So the first thing you can tell is learning standard. Okay, so perform multiplication and division of algebraic expression involving expansion and factorization. So it's the same, but only now we perform about multiplication and division. So to multiply and divide algebraic expressions, you need to factorize the expression. Then you can simplify familiar expressions of the numerators and denominators. Okay, so this one is sebelum you factorize the similar expression, kamu boleh eliminate nanti. Alright, nanti kita take a look at the example. Alright, now 2p plus 4 divided by p square negative 4 can be written as this one. Ini teacher sudah explain to you kan. Divide you can change to this form, right? And then you kena factorize. 2p plus 4 you factorize as 2p plus 2. And this one, the denominator you factorize as p square minus 2 square as p plus 2 p minus 2. So simplify similar expression or terms. So this one is why they eliminate p plus 2, p plus 2 here, because they are similar expressions. So dia akan jadi 1. Alright. So the answer will be 2 divided by p minus 2 or 2 over p minus 2. Okay, this process of simplification requires factorization skills that you have learned. So this one, hopefully you can avoid your careless mistake. That's why you cannot make the solution one by one and recheck again. Okay, so example 19 here, simplify. A square minus 1 over 2ab times b square over 1 plus a. So how to solve these questions? So at first here you cannot factorize this a square minus 1. So when you factorize, it will become a plus 1 times a minus 1. And b square, when you factorize it, it will become b times b. So it's the same to b square. Alright, now you sudah nampak, you find the similar expressions. So here is a plus 1 here, you eliminate with this 1 plus a. And here, this b you eliminate with this b. So, then you akan dapat b or a minus 1 times b, ataupun you boleh tulis semula as b times a minus 1 over 2a. Dapat 2a because here is b you already eliminate, and 1 plus a here is you already eliminate. When you eliminate, it will become 1. So 2a times 1 still 2a. 2a times 1 here, you still get 2a. So this is easy. But the first thing, you have to know how to factorize. Okay? So question B, h plus k square over 2kh minus h times 6k minus 3h over h square minus k square. Teacher buat di line page. So how to simplify this question? First of all, we need to factorize. So h plus k square, when you factorize, it will become h plus k times h plus k over 2 2kh. Sorry, 2k minus h. 2k minus h times this one 6k minus 3h. When you factorize, it will become, so here is 3 times 2k minus h. Okay, when you multiply again, you expand again, 3 times 2k, you will get 6k. 3 times negative h, it will become negative 3h. So this one, h square minus k square, when you factorize, remember, akan jadi h plus k, and another one is h minus k. So now find the similar algebraic expression or similar terms. Okay, now h plus k, here also got h plus k, so you can eliminate. So dia akan jadi 1. Also here is 1. Alright, any other terms? Oh yes, here 2k minus h. So you can eliminate, it will become 1. Here also 1. So h plus k times 1. So it will become h plus k. So 1 times 1 times h minus k, it will become h minus k. So this is the answer. But sorry, I missed this 3. Okay, 1 times h plus k, h plus k, h plus k times 3, 3 times h plus k times 1. So here ada lagi number 3. Alright. Okay. So now the next example is 5a over a plus 2b divide 2ab over 3a plus 6b. So how to solve this question? So here is divide, right? So we need to change to multiply. So what happened when we change to multiply? This one is no change. 5a over a plus 2b. Here is, kalau divide we change to multiply, this one akan change. Denominator akan naik jadi numerator. Numerator akan turun as denominator. So 3a plus 6b over 2ab. Alright. So now try to factorize. So 5a cannot be factorized. Here also cannot be factorized. Times here you can factorize. So take out 3 as the, okay, 3 times a, 3a plus 2b. Because 3 times 2b, it will become 6b. And so this one, the way you factorize. So 2ab. So kalau you factorize, dia mesti cross, okay? You can I mean when you simplify this part, you simplify with this part, and this one you can simplify with this part. Okay, so now let's take a look. So 5a and 2ab, can we simplify? Yes, we eliminate the a. Okay, it will become 1. Here also 1. So here a plus 2b, you eliminate with here the numerator here. So a plus 2b, you eliminate, it will become 1. Here also it will become 1. So now kalau you multiply, the process is multiply, right? So multiply, you direct multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. So 5 times 1, 5. 5 times 3, 15. 15 times 1, you will get 15. Over, here is 1 times 2 times b. So it will become 2b. So this is the answer. Make sure you avoid the careless mistake and do it properly. Okay, let's continue to the next example. A square minus b square over 10a minus 5b divide a minus b square over 8a over minus 4b. Alright. So first of all, we need to simplify a square minus b square. So it will become a plus b times a minus b. This is the rule already, kan? So this one, 10a minus 5b, how to factorize? So take the smallest number, because 5 and 10 is a factor. So 5 times, how to get 10a? So times 2a. 5 times minus b. So when you expand again, you will get this one. Okay. So now divide here, you need to change to multiply. And then the denominator will become numerator 8a minus 4b. And here is numerator as denominator, a minus b square. So expand again. We try to factorize these algebraic expressions. This one I copy back. A plus b, a minus b, 5 to a minus b. So this one you factorize, take the smallest number, take the smallest factors, take out as 4 times 2a minus b over this one a minus b square. So you can factorize as a minus b, a minus b. So try to factorize, find the similar terms or algebraic expression. Make sure when you simplify, when you try to eliminate this part with this part, okay, and then when you try to eliminate this part, you should eliminate with this part. Okay, so now 2a minus b you can eliminate here, so it will become 1, and here a minus b. So a minus b you can eliminate this one only one times. Okay, a minus b with this a minus b, this one tidak boleh. Okay, because dia sekali saja you eliminate. So now a plus b times 4, ataupun we can write as 4 times a plus b, and here 5 a minus b, because this one is already eliminated, kan? So 5 times a minus b. So this is the answer. Okay, make sure you remind when you see this division, we need to change to multiplication, and then the denominator will going up as numerator and the numerator will going down as denominator. Okay, and then try to factorize, and then you eliminate, and you will get the final answers. All right, let's continue. So the last part in this video is 2.3.3, that is combined operations of algebraic expressions. Okay, before this you have learned addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Single addition, single subtraction, single multiplication and single division. Now what happened? We combine the operation of algebraic expressions. So first of all, we need to look at the learning standard. So perform combined operation of algebraic expression involving expansion and factorization. So you can see the question here have two operation, right? This one is multiply. This one is addition. Okay, so how to solve the combined operation here? So let's take a look one by one. Okay, this is the first example. 2 over 5b multiply with 15a plus 25b and plus with a over b. So first of all, we need to factorize. No need to factorize, you simplify. So 5 here. Okay, yes, we need to factorize first. 2 over 5b. So how to factorize this algebraic expressions? So it will become 5 times 3a plus 5b plus a over b. So here is multiply. Alright, so now look at here first, the multiplication. Can we simplify this algebraic expression? Yes. Okay, this one. 5 with 5. So it will become 1 and 1 here. So next, 2, dia akan jadi 2, 3, a plus 5b over b plus a over b. So now, can we do the addition operation? Of course can, right? But before that, we need to expand this algebraic expression. So 2 times 3a, it will become 6a. 2 times 5b, it will become 10b plus a over, because it have the same denominator, so we write one time only. Okay, satu kali saya tulis b. So 10a can plus with a, so it will become 7a. 10b stay as 10b over b. So this is the final answers. Alright, make sure first part here you kena factorize kan. Here you kena factorize first, baru kita boleh eliminate kan. So this one you kena expand semula untuk solve and get the final answers. Alright, so let's take a look for the next example. Okay, this is the second example. 9k square minus 12k plus 4 over 3k plus 2, 3k minus 2. So Actually, the denominator is already factorized. You just factorize this numerator. So how to get the factorization? So do a cross multiplication, 9k square 9k square, so here is 4 and negative 12k. So 3 times 3, 3k times 3k, you will get 9k square. And then how to get 4? 1 times 4. If we use 1 times 4, 3k, 12. Okay, not. We cannot use 1, 4. So now we try to use 2, 2. The answer here should be in negative. So here negative. Negative 2 times negative 2, you will get 4. Then do the cross multiplication. 3k times negative 2, you will get negative 6k. 3k times negative 2, you will get negative 6k. And then you 8. You plus 6, negative 6k plus negative 6k, you will get negative 12k. Then we write again. So this is the factorization. 3k minus 2 multiply with 3k minus 2 over 3k plus 2, this one again, 3k minus 2. Alright, so the factorization of 9k square minus 12k plus 4 is this one, kan? So and now we can simplify. So here, this one you can eliminate. So 3k minus 2, you can eliminate with this 3k minus 2. So it will become 1, it will become 1. So 3k minus 2 and 3k plus 2 cannot be simplified. So the answer is 3k minus 2 over 3k plus 2. So easy, right? So make sure you have a concept how to factorize these algebraic expressions. Okay, actually we usually use this cross multiplication method to get the answer for the factorization. Okay, alright, let's take a look for the next example. So this is the example, 12m minus 18m square over 4n square minus 16n times n over m. So first of all, you can factorize. As usual, factorize this algebraic expression, 12m and negative 18. So try 4 times 3m. Okay, cannot be 4. Try to use 6m minus 6 times 3m, right? This one, 4 and 16, take the smallest number, 4 4n times n over n minus 4, alright, times n over m. Actually here is 6 times m, 16 more. Enter. Mm, 12m. Try to put 6m times 2. 6m times 2, 12m minus 6m times 3m. Alright, 6m times negative 3m. Alright, okay, now you can simplify. First of all, we try to simplify 6 and 4. 6 and 4 with 2. Try to use other color. 6 divided by 2, it will become 3. 4 divided by 2, it will become 2. Then, this unknown m, we can simplify with this m. Make sure the cross. You can simplify the cross unknown also here, and simplify with this m. Dia cross kan, this m also cross. Okay, so it become 1 1 1. Then the answer is 3 times 2 minus 3m over 2 and minus 4. Okay, the question asks to simplify, right? So you need to answer like this. Kalau you answer like, and then kan you expand 6 minus 9m 2n minus 4 2n minus 8 kan? This is the wrong answer because the question asks you to simplify. So simplify means you kena answer in factorization here. Okay, this one is wrong. This one is correct. Okay, so the last example is, so this is the last example. Okay, a minus b over 3a plus b divided by a minus b square over 6a plus 2b. Alright, so how to solve this question? This one no need to factorize. 3a plus b, okay, this one also no need to factorize, just copy back. Then this one kita kena expand dulu, okay? So no need to change first. A minus b times a minus b over, this one 2 6a plus 2 3a 2 plus b 3a plus b. Okay, now we can convert this division to multiplication. Okay, remember division you need to convert to multiplication. So this one no need, no change, just copy back 3a plus b. So this one, the denominator will become as numerator, 2 times 3a plus b. Then the numerator here is, you change to denominator, a minus b, a minus b. So now can we simplify? So a minus b can simplify with a minus b here, so 1. Then here 3a plus b you can simplify to 3a plus b here, it will become 1. So 1 times 2 times 1, it will become 2. And then 1 times 1, 1 times a minus b, a minus b. So the answer is 2 over a minus b. Okay, actually easy lah. Okay, easy when you conquer the concept about the factorization and the concept about the expansion, and then the changing of division to multiplication, you kena alert. Okay, so That's all for today. Or you can answer the exercise. Okay, so please complete this exercise. Okay, question 7, try to answer question B and D, question 8 B and D, question 9 B and D also, question 10 B and D. Alright, so that's all for today. Hopefully you all can understand. Okay, so make sure you focus and try do the exercise to make sure either you understand or you don't understand it at all. Okay, bye, see you later.